Hi, I'm David.
Hey, I'm Jace.
And this is our wireless energy coil. Right now I'm going to explain a little bit of our project. These are our DC power supplies running through our breadboard and powering our circuit. We have 3 interrupts on our breadboard. We have a timer 0 interrupt, a timer 1, and an INT 0 interrupt. On our breadboard powering it, we have 3 transistors. We have a potentiometer, an op-amp chip, and a D to A chip running through to our oscillator circuit, which powers from the supply to our coil, giving off a radio signal. Right here, this chip acts so that our circuit doesn't overheat. Right here we got 800 rounds of coil with 10 rounds of coil, and this acts as a capacitance, altogether resonating off a radio signal to give a higher current.
Alright. Okay. The reason we call our system wireless energy is because we're going to use this coil and the control circuit to light up this tube with no wires attached, just like this, holding in my hand. Okay, now let's power it on and see what happens. Okay, as you can see on the LCD on the first line, it says voltage. That's the analog input that we're using to convert to a square wave. And the second line is the frequency of the square wave. I can vary it between 1 and 5, which controls our light bulb later. I'll show you. And there are 3 different modes we can operate this system on. One is manual. We can use our RB1 to turn it on, RB2 turn off, and RB3 is automatic, which I'll show you later how it works, and RB4 is flash. Okay, now let's see how it works. Right now I'm gonna turn on manual mode. So as you can see, if I hold this light up here, it turns on, just like this. I'm going to go operate it, so I'm going to just set it over here. You can shoot over there. So, right now it's in manual on mode, so it just stays on. If I push manual off, it turns off. And then flash, that tube starts flashing. And I can change how fast it flashes. So right now it's about 1 hertz, 1 per second. And then go faster, about 5 flashes per second. And the third mode we can operate is automatic, which detect the darkness of the room. And if we get below a certain level, it turns on the light. Okay, now I'm going to turn the light off and see what happens. There we go. If I turn the light off, that tube turns on by itself. If I turn the light level up, it turns off. On and off. The way how it works is these 2 coils, they resonate together. Since there is a big ratio, so this big coil will step up the voltage to a few thousand volts, and it's at a very high frequency, so it sends out a electrical magnetic wave, which will power this light bulb without any wires. So yeah, that concludes our project. Thank you.